Hello everyone, this is Daniel and Kelly from FitnessBlender.com, and today we're announcing that on May 2nd we're going to be releasing a brand new 4-week FB Fit.
So this is available for purchase, and it's also free with an active FB Plus account. FB Fit is by far our most challenging program. It has the longest workouts, the toughest workouts, and we've also sprinkled extra credit workouts all throughout. But remember, you can do this at whatever pace you need to, so you don't necessarily have to do the 5 days a week pace with that extra credit or that recovery day workout on the 6th day. You can do this at your own pace. We always encourage you to listen to your body.
Absolutely, and to try to make sure it's as accessible to everyone as possible, the only thing you really need to do this is a set of dumbbells, but you don't even necessarily have to have those either.
So this is a combination of strength training and HIIT, but we've also included, obviously, like we always do, a lot of other modalities, Pilates and agility training, balance, flexibility work, functional strength, in order to make this as well-rounded a program as possible.
Kelly's also included a bunch of different articles in there from experts, including DPTs, certified personal trainers, and dietitians.
So this is kind of you learn a lot as you go through this. So you're getting a great workout, and you're also learning things that you can apply to your own workouts even going forward from this point. But you can also, remember, repeat our programs as many times as you like.
So remember, that will be launching on May 2nd. We'll try to get out for you as early as possible on that day, but of course we're on the West Coast, so give us a little bit of time. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you.